Hello programmers, in this video I will show you how to download and install Apache Tomcat. So for that, open any your favorite browser, search like this Apache Tomcat. So go to official website. So here we have a download session. So choose which version you want. For me, Tomcat 9. Click on that, scroll down. Here we have a core undercore 32-bit or 64-bit Windows service installer. Click on that. So download in your local system. I already downloaded, so I will skip this part. See, I already downloaded. So I click on cancel. See, it will be downloaded like this. So before installation Tomcat, I will show you one thing. You need to cross verify whether Java is installed in our system or not. For that, open any command prompt, search like this Java space hyphen version. See here, this came version properly. So same like that. Confirm once environment variable set it properly or not. Go to advanced settings, environment variables, Java home, JRE home, both is there. So check there. Check here, see Windows program files Java, here JRE path is there. Everything is set properly or not in your system. Check once. Okay, then go to Apache Tomcat, double click on that, give permissions, yes, click on next, I agree, give full rights, then click on next. This is the default port and default server name. If you want change means change now itself, later also we can able to change. Then click on next. See here automatically JRE path it is taken. For you it is not taken means, then go to where you install that JRE. So select this path and give manually here. In case if you not get here, right? If you got means no need, not a problem. Then click on next. So it is asking destination folder. If you want change means click here to change. So in my case I will be change, not install on Windows C. I will install specific drive. So get to here. So I will make new folder. Here I will be give. Okay, so here it will be installed. So click on install. So uncheck these things. So Apache Tomcat has been installed on your system. Uncheck these things and click on finish. Now we will check open. So it will ask permissions. Give continue. See, it is coming here. So now we need to start our server. For that what we need to do, we have a number of options to start. So first option is Windows R. So search like this services.msc. So once click on here means, so once refresh once, so here we got Apache Tomcat 9, right? So here we have an option to start. So how we can able to check this thing whether it is start or not? For that, local host colon 8080 default. So if you are seeing this, we have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. So how we can able to start means, here itself we have an option to start. So here startup type is automatic is there. We can change also automatic to manually, like click OK. So this is the one option to start and stop. So now check, now we stop it, right? Now check, server will be down. So there is one more option, go to Tomcat. So inside bin we have a Tomcat 9W. So double click on that, click on S. So it will be open. See, startup type manual is there. If we have automatic means change automatic to manual. Here we have an option to start. Now go and check, right? Now same like we have option to stop also. Now server will be down, right? So for getting much more simple way, so what we can do is we can create a one shortcut. This thing, right click, then send it to desktop. That means it will create one shortcut for us. So here it is shortcut. So from here itself we can able to start the server and stop the server. So what I will do is I will create one project here. So go to Tomcat. Under web apps, I will create one folder first, name as a app1. Inside app1, I will create one JSP. So these are basically HTML code and these are JSP code. So right click, save as. So give your JSP name text dot extension must be JSP. Then save as all types. So okay, here inside this text1.jsp. So now go and check. So inside app1 we have a text.jsp. So what I will do is I will start the server. The server started. App1.text1.jsp. See, welcome.